What's up, guys? So today I just made Christmas Eve. Just made my bed. Oh, not tonight. I didn't make my bed tonight, but I made some fidget toys also. Look what I did! Yeah. See Junior right there? That yellow guy. He used to sit right here, but now I put my fidget toys here. Here's the first one. I didn't make the first one. The first one was this one. Second one. It's cut in half, so I just do that. That's cool to me. Okay. Here. I'm gonna have to. Whenever it's like this, you have to shake it really hard. To make these, I'll do a tutorial. Like, probably on Christmas tomorrow. Shake these two because it's happening to that too. That's purple. So here's another part of the thing. So I'm gonna do a tutorial on all these things. And yeah, these are the ones I just made. These ones. You're supposed to tape them together, but my parents have the tape because they're taping some stuff. So basically you have to push down, do that. Do the same thing too. Yeah, so this is cool. Let's put that in the pile that I showed you. Yeah, this one's really cool. So get string. You could get it from a mask. Just tie it up. That's what I did. Oh yeah, so you go in the moon, right? For this. Oh yeah, that looks cool. So you go in the moon, right? Outside when it's nighttime. Shine a light onto here, into the moon light, and then it'll do something. Yeah. So I didn't make that. Some of this stuff, I just got it. So, and here's a string. So these are, whatever these guys are called, like slides, I think. So I'm putting the camera down for a second because I need to get this together. There we go. And they're not really satisfying, but they're cool to play with. Okay, do that. So, well, something just fell. Yay. So that's it for today, guys. Peace out.